Your opponent is using this AI and you don't even know about it. Don't worry, let's tell our opponents that we can crack any secret. This website offers more than 260 AI tools completely free. Some of them require subscriptions, but many are free. You can use GPT-4o without any cost. Also, you can convert your text into AI voices. The voices I will show later are surprising because these voices are premium on the 11 Labs website, but here you can use them for free. Magical Upscale is one of the best features on this website. Paid AIs will not give you such a result as this free AI because it will convert your SD images into Ultra HD. Not only this, you can upload and summarize any type of document, ask questions about anything in the document, and get results in milliseconds. I have shown many other AI tools in the video and how to use them accurately to boost your productivity. Let's do some testing. The website I'm talking about is Easy Peasy. Search on any search engine for Easy Peasy AI. Enter the first website. Here are many AI tools, and for image generation, different styles are available. But the first thing you need to do is sign up on the website. After successfully signing in, you will meet this dashboard. Without wasting further time, let's click on Chat with Marky, the first tool. There it is. You can see the default model GPT-4o here. You can change it to others as well. First, let's write a script from it and see if it's able to write. Not bad. Let's upload an image from here because testing is necessary first. I will ask, can you design the same website as in the image? Bam, it's working. This test was successful. Going to another test. Let's see if it's able to generate images. I want to ask, generate an image of a student sitting on a seat near the beach and reading a book. Unbelievable. Now it's time to see another tool. Let's test the AI text-to-speech. First, let's give the text here. Going with the default voice, click on Generate. Now listen, this channel needs your support, but no one is giving attention. Good. Let's see some other voices as well. There are many more voices. Let's play some of them.
The only thing to do...
The truth of the matter is, I believe that we are fundamentally the same.
Sounds good. Let's select this voice and generate it. Listen.
This channel needs your support, but no one is giving attention.
I know there is no support, but I'll be happy if one person learns something new. Moving next, let's test the AI transcription. You can transcribe either a YouTube video, upload your own video or audio, or record your audio and transcribe it. Let's check the YouTube transcription. Paste the URL of the video and click on Transcribe. There we go. Here is the transcription. Select this AI content and get the summary, title, description, etc. Or select AI chat and ask a question about anything in the video. Looking well, moving on and testing chat with PDF. Upload your PDF or any document from here. Once the PDF is uploaded, you can ask questions like I ask. Give a summary of this PDF. There we go. I have gotten all the summary of this PDF. Asking another question, can you tell me about chapter 3? There it is. Coming next, you can also create an AI chatbot and then link it with your Telegram account, WhatsApp, or put it on your website. But I'm not going to show that because it's too easy. Test this by yourself. Let's test the one-click article generation tool, which will help you a lot if you're a blogger. First, you have to describe the blog topic here. Next, in the options section, I will select the first person. Down here, you can also specify the background knowledge or leave it empty. Next, give the tone. Choose the output length. I will go with long. Select the language from here and click on generate. There we go. Here is the generated article. Next and last I'm going to show is this magic upscale on the left side. This feature is most impressive. You can convert images into 4K Ultra HD. Upload the image from here. Keep these settings according to your need and click on upscale. Bam! What an enhancement. Download the image from here. There is more to explore. I have done enough testing. Now it's your time to become a tester. If you felt this video was good and helpful, then it's time to show support to this unsupported channel.